Hi everyone. This is from a CCTV video in a supermarket, and watch this fridge right here start walking. That is so amazing. And fortunately no people are in here, and not many people have gotten hurt, and I pray that no people get hurt. But have you considered that maybe these earthquakes and things that people experience are good wake-up calls? And of course everybody can have a bug out plan and get away from the coast and all those things, but maybe some people just think how many people that they wake up from their drug induced stupor, or they have a change of heart about stealing or killing, and somehow get a message from God because they see that their life might end suddenly. It kind of hits home. And if you do have a bug out plan and you're all prepared, what does it matter if you aren't putting God first? Because then you're just taking all your issues with you. Well, that's one way to look at it. Because all the people who end up serving Baal, B-A-A-L, and not the one true God, if they haven't given up on Baal in one form or another in this life, then what's the point? That's what everybody has to come to terms with, who they're serving. But anyway, this is a pretty cool video. Thank you for watching. God bless everybody.